In this video, we will learn about thin layer chromatography or TLC. The first step in TLC is we require the plant extract, and the plant extract has to be kept in a funnel or a beaker. So plant extract is one step. Once the plant extract is ready, then the second step is preparation of the TLC plate. So now we will learn how to make TLC plate. This is silica powder and I am adding into water and making a slurry. The slurry has to be thick and consistent, uniform. So this is the consistency we require for making the silica gel, for making the TLC plate. This is a clean glass plate. You have to wash it, wipe it and take a clean glass plate, and on this we have to put the slurry, make a thin layer of the slurry, silica slurry, take the silica slurry and make a thin layer. That is the next step. This is the small equipment which is used for dispensing the slurry onto the plate. What you do is keep it on the glass plate here. Keep this equipment at the edge of the glass plate. Okay. See to it this end of the equipment is away from the table, because you are moving it up and down. You are moving it up and down, and hence this part should be outside the table like this. Okay, so that moving this up and down is easier. Yeah, I am filling this with the silica, formally spreading it all around so that there is uniform spread, and even the corners have to be filled with the silica gel. Now I am turning this around. This is the most crucial part. I am turning it around. I have turned it around. The silica has fallen on the glass plate. Now the next important stage is moving it on the glass. Like this. It will form a layer. It will not happen once. You can do 2-3 times at 110 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, or even you can air dry it. It will take some time. So once it is dried, you will get a plate like this. This is the plant extract, and you can use a dropper, and you can load the sample into the you can load the sample by using this through these pores. This is the solvent, and it is prepared in 9:1 ratio of petroleum ether and acetone. So I am adding into it. You come from top. So this is the solvent. TLC plate is ready, and we have loaded the samples. I am keeping the TLC plate inside. So TLC plate is ready inside. Okay, keep it like that only. I am closing it. You can see here the samples are moving